Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a product that I think you can use irrespective of your skin type. And usually, all of these products are like pre-made for a certain skin type. With oil, maybe this one is for oily skin type, this one is for dry skin, and it's got like a lot of complex ingredients, a lot of fillers, and a lot of unnecessary ingredients. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about a product that is just simple with simple ingredients and that can work as a really nice cleanser for most skin types. And you can also customize this product according to your skin type, which is something I absolutely love. So sometimes, my skin tends to react differently, and I am sometimes just giving a good break to my usual skincare products. I want something that can work for my sensitive skin, something that cleanses my skin pretty well but doesn't aggravate the situation and just does the job of cleansing my face, leaving my skin looking nice and clean and bright. So I want to use a cleanser that doesn't strip my skin out, nothing of that sort, and then just go ahead with a moisturizer and just be done. There are days like that as well, and for that I have a cleanser I want to talk to you guys about. That is Kama Ayurveda Mridul soap free face cleanser. So coming to the ingredients, it has colloidal oatmeal, it has green gram, neem, and all of this, which can actually cleanse your skin and remove all of that dirt and impurities, but not stripping your skin of the natural oils. It also has sandalwood, turmeric, and rose, which can brighten your skin and calm your skin and work as a good anti-inflammatory ingredient. So this particular cleanser also has almond, which can smoothen your skin's texture. So this cleanser, the blend of the ingredients, everything just takes you back in time, like the texture, the way it smells and everything. You're definitely in for some nostalgia. So this is what the texture of this cleanser looks like. It's a nice powdery texture. So all you have to do is you can take about 2 spoons of this. It comes with a spatula, so you can take about 2 spoons and make a paste out of this. You can use it with water if you want to, or if you have oily skin, you can use this with the Kama Ayurveda pure rose water. This is steam distilled pure rose water. So this one maintains the skin's pH balance, and it also controls excess oil production. It has good anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to it. It also has good astringent properties, so it can actually clean your pores, diminish the appearance of your pores, and tone your skin. So there are a lot of benefits for rose water, and I know a lot of you guys actually love this particular product and have recommended this to me constantly, time and time again. And it's also really nice mist to use during the summer months. It actually refreshes your skin, and if you feel like this cleanser has a little bit like dried out on your face, you can actually reactivate it by using this and spritzing it all over your face and then cleansing it. You don't want to tug and pull on your skin when something is a little bit dry. If you have a dry skin, you can take this cleanser and mix it in with milk or yogurt and apply it on your face, and that will make sure that your skin is nice and hydrated. If you have sensitive skin, you can mix it in with the Kama Ayurveda pure mogra water. This is something that I have used for the longest time, and I've almost emptied this one out. I really love the scent of this. It is so calming, so refreshing, and again something that I love to use during the summer months just to refresh my skin. This again has good pH balancing properties. It is anti-inflammatory, it is antibacterial, and it can hydrate your skin. So if you have a dry, sensitive, mature skin, you can use this, and I think you would really enjoy using this particular product. So all you have to do is take the required amount of it, mix it in, and apply like a paste on your face. So make sure that you are taking about 2 to 3 spoons of this, mixing it in with either the rose water, the mogra water, or just simple plain water, and applying it on damp skin. Let it rest on your skin for about a minute or 2, and then gently massage it and then wash it off. So when you're massaging it onto your face, it also mildly exfoliates your skin. There's no like harsh particles, no harsh scrub particles in it. It's not rough on your skin, so it would wash right off, and it would leave your skin feeling nice, refreshed, and glowy. It doesn't leave your skin feeling dry, dull, and nothing of that sort. So what I really like about this is that it works as a really good gentle cleanser. It also mildly exfoliates your skin and works as a really good like on the go mask on your face because of the really good ingredients that it has. And because I am more familiar with all of these ingredients, I don't really have to Google up and find out like what is this ingredient, what is that. It is something that is known to me for the longest time and something that I have used, and I know exactly how my skin works. And that's the reason I mentioned that this is a cleanser that can be used by most skin types, and also you can customize it according to the way you feel like it would work the best for your skin. So again, something that is easily deciphered by anyone, any common man, and you don't really have to resort to googling like, okay, what is this, can I mix this with this and use it, can this even work for my skin? So you can easily understand what you're exactly putting on your skin. So I often get asked, recommend to me a cleanser that is comprising of natural ingredients and not with a lot of filler ingredients, nothing that is potentially harmful for my skin. So in case you are someone who's looking for just that, you can definitely try this out. So you get 40 grams of product. It is free of artificial preservatives, colorants, fragrances, and petrochemicals. It comes in a nice packaging like this, something that you can reuse. And I feel like a lot of people who are trying to take that extra measure to reduce the amount of waste you're producing, you would really appreciate this because you can reuse it. And also the cleanser itself doesn't cause any potential harm to the environment. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk to you guys about this product. I will leave the product links in the description box below along with a coupon code with which if you shop you would get additional discount. So let me know what you guys think about this product. And yeah, so while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife.